And we're back to learning JavaScript. Usually you want to use just a test on an expression and you don't want to replace anything or return a word. Instead you want to return if it's true or false. Let us set up another example. I use a sentence first. And I use document.write to print it out. And now you, for example, want to check if the word ReGex is in there. So we'll define a pattern. And this is usually a const, so not a let. You don't want to change that. It's going to stay constant. We use the slashes and then add ReGex. And now we want to check the example if the pattern is in there, and to do that we'll simply write pattern.test, then regular brackets, and inside the test brackets we use the example. And here it returns true because ReGex is in there. So our pattern was found via the test method inside of the example. And if I change this to lowercase, it's going to be false. I add the I flag in my pattern, it's going to be true again. A simple use case would be to check if a user has put in, for example, an email address. An email address has to contain an @. So if you add mymail@email.com, it's going to be true because there's the @ in there. But if the user doesn't add that, you know you don't have an email address, and therefore it's false. So this would be one way to use it. And there are many other ways, for example, password checking and stuff like this. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.